Welcome back to this training course on planning. In the last video, we discussed how to break down large projects into manageable tasks. In this video, we will focus on prioritizing tasks and making decisions. Prioritization is the process of determining the order in which tasks should be completed, based on their importance and urgency. Effective prioritization can help you to focus on what is most important and make better decisions. By prioritizing your tasks, you can ensure that you are working on the most important tasks first and making progress towards your goals. So, how do we prioritize tasks effectively? There are several techniques and tools that can help you to prioritize your tasks. Some of these include using a prioritization matrix and applying the Eisenhower decision matrix. Let's take a closer look at each of these techniques. First, using a prioritization matrix can help you to evaluate and prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. A prioritization matrix is a simple tool that allows you to plot your tasks on a grid based on their importance and urgency. Tasks that are both important and urgent should be completed first, while tasks that are neither important nor urgent can be deferred or delegated. Second, applying the Eisenhower decision matrix can help you to make decisions about which tasks to work on first. The Eisenhower decision matrix is a simple tool that allows you to categorize your tasks into 4 quadrants based on their importance and urgency. Tasks in Quadrant 1 are both important and urgent and should be completed first, while tasks in Quadrant 2 are important but not urgent and should be scheduled for later. Tasks in Quadrant 3 are urgent but not important and can be delegated or deferred. And tasks in Quadrant 4 are neither important nor urgent and can be eliminated or deferred. So remember, effective prioritization involves using tools such as a prioritization matrix or Eisenhower decision matrix to evaluate and prioritize your tasks. In the next video, we will discuss how to delegate tasks effectively and manage a team. See you there.